Hey everybody, it's Sean with Team Groover. Today we're going to do a video walkthrough of the Hawk 4-bedroom. This gorgeous home is built by Kidd Construction and is a little over 2,400 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath. And downstairs, as you can see, I'm standing in this gorgeous kitchen, which leads into a beautiful living room that you'll see in a little bit. Also downstairs is a half bath and a formal dining room. So before we go upstairs, let's go ahead and take a walkthrough of the downstairs area. All right, now that we're done downstairs, we're going to move upstairs. Like I said before, all the bedrooms are on the second floor, as is the laundry room. The master bedroom has 2 walk-in closets, a double vanity, a garden tub, and a walk-in shower. 2 bedrooms share a bathroom, and the 4th bedroom has its own bathroom as part of it. So let's get started and get a walkthrough of the second floor. All right, that concludes our video walkthrough of the Hawk 4 bedroom. If you'd like more information about this property, where we're building it at, or just general information on buying and selling homes, we'd love to help you. We try to build relationships with our clients. We want to be everything that you need when it comes to real estate. So if you'd like to give us a call, my phone number is 910-723-1477. And as always, thanks.